You can also strengthen your will by controlling your impulsiveness. Controlling our impulsiveness is like the general who's able to hold his armies from firing their arrows so that the enemy comes closer. That means you need to have a lot of willpower to hold like this. So you can strengthen this by doing a 6-second pause. So every time you need to reply to a message, in your messages, WhatsApp or any phone messages or email, after you type it out, pause for 6 seconds. And after you pause, you send the reply. If a reply comes back and you type out something, again pause for 6 seconds. So do this for one exchange of conversation between a friend or a colleague, and every day you must practice this. Soon you will start seeing you have built great control and resilience. You're able to hold back your impulsiveness. You're able to pause and get better control of your decisions and choices.